a step-by-step guide on how to do a basic facial makeup for women. Prep the skin. Start by cleansing and moisturizing the face. Then, apply a primer to create a smooth base for the makeup and help it last longer. Apply foundation. Use a brush, sponge, or your fingers to apply a foundation that matches your skin tone. Blend it well into the neck and hairline to ensure an even finish. Conceal any imperfections. Use a concealer to cover any blemishes, dark circles, or redness. Apply it to the areas that need it, and blend well using a brush or sponge. Contour and highlight. Use a contouring product to create shadows and definition in the face, such as under the cheekbones, jawline, and temples. Then, use a highlighter to accentuate the high points of the face, such as the cheekbones, brow bone, and cupid's bow. Set the face. Dust a translucent powder over the face to set the makeup and reduce shine. Focus on the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, where oil production is highest. Add color to the cheeks. Apply a blush to the apples of the cheeks for a natural flush of color. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and enhances your features. Define the brows. Fill in any sparse areas of the brows using a brow pencil, powder, or pomade. Shape and define them to suit your face shape and personal preference. Apply eye makeup. Choose eye makeup that complements your overall look and enhances your eye color. You can start with a neutral eyeshadow base, add a pop of color, and line the eyes with a pencil or liquid liner. Finish with a coat of mascara. Finish with lipstick. Apply a lipstick or gloss to complete the look. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and matches your outfit. Note: this is a basic guide and can be adapted or customized based on your personal style and preferences. Experimenting with different makeup techniques and products is the best way to find what works for you.